We're going to walk through how to set up this 4 types of perfectionism Google form so that way you know what your students need to improve on when it comes to their perfectionism. So step 1, you're going to watch this video. Step 2, you're going to click on this icon and you're going to make a copy of this Google Sheet. So File, make a copy. Then you can rename it. So I'm going to go ahead and just call it public. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the original so I don't get it confused. As I'm going to go ahead and set this up, you can see here there's some scores here. I'm going to go ahead and just delete these columns right here so I can walk through all of the different steps. When I go into Tools, I'm going to go into Manage Form and I'm going to go into Edit the Form. When I edit the form, I want to make sure it's pulling that email address, the name. If you want to, you can go into settings and you're able to go to responses and allow it to set up for your domain if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and put this link right here. That way, if anybody wants to test this out before and see what kind of perfectionists you are, you can do so. So right here, if you want to try the test, you'll just click this link and it will be a Google form for you to try. After you get your form set up and ready to send to your students, you are now ready to do the autocrat part. So Luis did his magic and he was able to get this all set up. So if you go into extensions and then autocrat, we're going to launch it. Once we launch this test, we are going to be able to send the results to our students. So we're going to click the pencil, then we're going to hit next. This is pulling this Google Sheet or Google slide, and it's going to pull our students' scores along with each of the 4 different types with a quick description of what they are. Over here, it's pulling all of the different areas and their scores to the correct location. This is going to name the document for the students. Again, all of this should be set up for you if you make a copy. It's going to go to this folder. If you want to create another folder in your Drive so it goes into your folder, feel free. So you would just go into Drive, make a folder, and then just add that folder and replace where it says choose folders. You'll find your folder instead of mine. Once you do that, what's going to happen is you'll just click next and you're ready to send this email. This is the email that I'm going to send to my students. Feel free to edit as you see fit. And then right here, I want it to run once somebody fills out their Google form. And once I'm all set, I'm going to click that play button. And what's going to happen is people are going to get an email with their results of what kind of perfectionist they are. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and open up my email and wait for it to come. And again, their results are going to be customized to this. So you can see right here is that email. And when I open it, I can see my scores of what kind of perfectionist I am when it comes to perfectionism. And then here are again, those quick descriptions. So I'm able to see what that means when it comes to my perfectionism. I hope you enjoy and are able to help students stop perfectionism when it comes to their learning.